Hello and welcome back to the Excel tip videos. Today in this video we will show you how to use the MID function in Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel, MID function returns the specific number of characters from the middle of a string based on the starting position and the number of characters we specify. So let's see how MID function works in Microsoft Excel. Here we have some sample data in column A and we would extract the result in column B. So we begin with typing MID function in cell BA. So we type equal MID and then hit tab to auto complete the function. Here we can see that it takes three arguments which are text, starting number and number of characters. So the first argument is a string from which you want to extract the substring. The second is starting number. It is the position of the first character from where you want the extraction to be begin, or the location of the first character which you want the function to be returned, and then the number of character you want to extract from the string. So let's select A8 as a cell reference which contains a text string, then put comma. Now in the second argument we would tell Excel to start extracting the number from the first character onwards. So we type 1 here and then we tell Excel only to extract 5 characters. So we type 5 here and we hit enter. We see function returns Excel EXCEL from the string Excel help forum. Now we type MID function here in cell B9 and we select A9 in the first argument and we enter 7 in the second argument and 4 in the third argument as a number of characters. Now before we hit enter, let's see what should MID function returns to. If we see, we have said that it should start extracting the number from 7th position onwards. So in this case, if we look at the string which starts with E, which is the first character, and then X, C, E, L space, then H. So H is at the 7th position here. So the second argument stops here. Now the third argument will look for 4 number of characters from H onwards. So in this case it is going to be till P. So the function returns help. Now let's type MID here and we select A10 then comma, and now we type 11 and we want to extract only one character, so type 1. And so this is how, if you need to extract only one character, you have to type 1 only in the number of characters. And now in B11 we enter the function MID and select A11 as cell reference, then we enter 25 as a starting position and let's say we give 2 in the number of characters. Here if you have noticed, we type 25 which seems to be greater than the total length of the original string, and the function returns empty cell because it starts from the position which is the end of the string and then it has to return the given number of character which is not found there, and hence it returns blank. What if we give the starting position as a negative number? So let's say select A12 and here we give -1 in the starting position, and let's expect one character only. The function would return value error because MID function does not allow any negative number or 0 as starting number, and same applies to number of character, as it does not allow any negative number, and when we hit enter we get the same value error. But let's see what happens if we give 0 as number of character. So we enter MID function in B13 and we select A13. Then we say Excel to start extracting from 11th position and we type 0 in the third argument. The function returns empty cell because we are telling Excel to start looking from 11th position but do not return any character, and hence the function returns empty cell. Now what if the number of characters specified in the last argument are larger than the length of the string? In that situation the function would return to the entire text. So we type here MID function B14 and we tell Excel to start looking from first character onwards and extract 15 number of character. which seems to be greater than the length of the string. So we see the function returns the actual text which is in A14. So this is how we can use mid function in different ways. We hope you found this lesson informative. We shall meet again in our next lesson. Till then, happy learning and have a nice day.